So for this problem is we're going to we have here a matrix A equal to 1, negative 2, 2, and 1. So this is our matrix A. And our problem is this one. We're going to show that the inverse of A is equal to 1/5 multiplied to 2 times the identity matrix minus A, which is our matrix A, is 1. So, so our step 1 is we're going to use Gauss-Jordan elimination for both the matrix A, this one, and our identity matrix, which is 1, 0, and 0, 1. Why? Because we need to use that in order to find the inverse of A. So first, we're going to turn this negative 2 into 0. So how are we going to do that? So we're going to add um, to R1 because negative 2 belongs to row 2 or R2. So R2 is equal to R2 plus 2R1 and our 2 and our R1 is equal to positive 1. So therefore negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. And we're going to perform that as well in all values that belongs to row 2, such as this one, positive 1, 1 plus 2 multiplied to the value of the corresponding value in R1, which is 2. So we have here positive 5. 0, we have here 0 plus 2 R1, and which is the R1, the corresponding value of R1 is positive 1, this one. So 0 plus 2 times positive 1 is equal to 2. And 1 plus 2R1 and our corresponding value for R1 in this column is 0. So 1. So now we have turned negative, we have accomplished our first column, this one. We have turned this into 1 and 0. So our next goal is this one, this one. And we're going to turn 5 into 1. So how are we going to do that? Since 5 belongs to row 2, we're going to divide R2 by 5 in order to turn it into 1. And we're going to perform that as well in all values that belongs to R2, such as 0, the 5, 2, and 1. And the result is this. 0 divided by 5 is 0, 5 divided by 5 is 1, 2 divided by 5 is 2 fifth, and 1 over 1 divided by 5 is 1 fifth. And lastly is we're going to turn this one 2 into 0. And in order to do that, we're going to subtract R1 by 2 multiplied to R2. Since our R2 is equal, corresponding value of R2 for this column is equal to 1, so we're going to have 2 minus 2 times 1. So we have here 0. And we're going to perform that as well in all values that belongs to R1. So R1 here is 1, right? Minus 2 multiplied to 0 is still 1. We have already solved this one. So 1 minus 2 R2, which is this one. So the result is 1 fifth. 0 minus 2, 2 uh, R2, and the corresponding value for R2 is 1 over 5. So we have here negative 2 over 5. So now we have already accomplished our goal of turning of we have already accomplished our goal, which is turning our matrix A into its identity matrix form. So this one, which we have formed, is the inverse of A. That's it. And in order to verify that one, is we're going to multiply the inverse of A times matrix A, and it must be equal to the identity matrix form, which is 1 0 and 0 1. So let's multiply this one to the original matrix A, and the result is correct. That's right. We have here the identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 1. So therefore, the next step is we're going to um, we're going to solve for 1/5 times 2 times the identity matrix minus A. So we have here this one. So we have already arranged that. So 2 times the identity matrix minus the matrix A. So first we're going to multiply 2 because it is the scalar variable to the identity matrix. So we have here this one. And we can directly subtract both the result. We're going to subtract this resulting matrix after multiplying the scalar 2 to the identity matrix and subtract it by the original matrix A. And the resulting matrix is this one. And once again, we're going to multiply 1 over 5 to all values of the resulting matrix. So 1 over 5 times 1 is 1 over 5. 1 over 5 times 2 is this one, 2 over 5. 1 over 5 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2 over 5. And 1 over 5 multiplied to 1 is equal to 1 over 5. So let's verify if the result of using both operation is the same. Is the inverse of A equal to 1/5 multiplied to the quantity of 2 times the identity matrix minus A is equal. So this one, this is our inverse of A, and this is our resulting matrix after solving for 1/5 multiplied to the quantity of 2 times the identity matrix minus A, and it is equal. Therefore, the inverse of A is equal to 1/5 multiplied to 2 times identity matrix minus A is true. So we have already solved this problem.